Welcome to day 27 of DailyAIWizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ready to create art with generative AI and GANs? Today we're diving into AI's creative magic, crafting images and more. This 20-minute journey will blow your mind. You won't want to miss a single second. Let's master generative AI. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella and I'm thrilled to explore generative AI. It's about making art with code, and it's mind-blowing. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock creative secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. Generative AI powers stunning creations, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo generating synthetic images. It's going to be magical. Stick with us for this art.
Ethan here. GANs are a creative powerhouse, and I'm stoked to code an image generation demo with Sophia. Let's make art magic. This will inspire you. Get ready for AI's creative power.
I'm Olivia, and I'm utterly fascinated by generative AI and GANs. I'll explain how it works on slide 4, and I'm thrilled to join you, Anastasia. This tech is pure creativity. Let's make art magic.
Today we're diving into generative AI and GANs, and I'm so thrilled. We'll explore AI's role in creating art, how GANs craft images, tackle ethical challenges, and build a Python demo generating synthetic images. This journey will ignite your creative passion. Let's master art magic. Get ready for AI's creative power. Isabella, why is generative AI exciting?
It's artistic, Anastasia. AI creating images is thrilling and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these techniques. This will redefine creativity. Let's unlock its potential.
Hi, wizards. I'm Olivia, and I'm totally fascinated by generative AI and GANs. It creates new content like images and music using models like GANs and VAEs, fueling creative industries. This is pure art magic. From AI paintings to music, it's unreal. I'm thrilled to break it down. Anastasia, how do GANs make such realistic images?
Great question, Olivia. GANs use a generator and discriminator to craft lifelike images like digital artists. It's like a creative duel. I'm excited to dive deeper with you. This is art's future. Let's explore its magic. Why use generative AI? It boosts creative output, automates content creation, enhances personalization, and drives innovation. It's revolutionizing art. This is vital AI magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see its impact. AI sparks creativity. Isabella, why creative output?
It's inspiring, Anastasia. AI amplifies artists' work, and I love its impact. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is art with flair.
GANs are fascinating. The generator creates fake data, the discriminator evaluates realism, and they train adversarially to produce realistic outputs. It's a creative AI duel. I'm excited to break it down. This is art-making AI in action. Let's craft with GANs. Isabella, why adversarial training?
It's clever, Anastasia. The competition makes GANs sharp, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like an art contest. This ensures realism.
GANs in image generation are stunning. They create realistic images using deep neural networks, like AI-generated faces, enhancing visual content. This is visual art magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's generate images. This transforms visuals. Isabella, why image generation?
It's beautiful, Anastasia. AI crafting faces is amazing, and I'm excited. It's like a digital painter. This boosts creativity.
GANs in game asset creation are game-changing. They generate textures and models, speeding up development like procedural landscapes, enhancing design. This is gaming art magic. I'm so excited to dive in. Let's create assets. This streamlines games. Isabella, why game assets?
They're cool, Anastasia. AI builds game worlds fast, and I'm thrilled. It's like a game sculptor. This saves time.
GANs in music generation are melodic. They compose original music using audio-based GANs, like AI-generated tracks, expanding creative audio. This is musical AI magic. I'm thrilled to share this. Let's compose music. This inspires sound. Isabella, why music generation?
It's harmonious, Anastasia. AI making music is incredible, and I'm excited. It's like a digital composer. This enriches art.
GANs in text-to-image are mind-blowing. They convert text to images using models like DALL-E, creating AI art from prompts, fueling expression. This is imaginative AI magic. I'm so excited to explain. Let's turn text to art. This sparks creativity. Isabella, why text-to-image?
It's magical, Anastasia. AI turning words into art is thrilling, and I'm excited. It's like a story painter. This transforms ideas.